Alright, hi guys, it's Mrs. McClure. Today we're going to look at our vocabulary words and we're going to look at our high frequency words. So these are the words that we need to write. They're like our sight words. And let's look at these words. This is the word as, like as. He is as hot as a hot dog on a grill, okay? As, so it says A-S. As. What do you think this word is? He, right? He. So let's spell it. H-E spells he. So we're reviewing some of these high frequency words that we learned last year in kindergarten. And some of them might be new to us too. So this is the word he. What is this word? Two. Very good. I know you guys know this one. Do you remember this word? This is the word three, like for the number three. Like I have 3 dogs. I have 3 cats. Three. T-H-R-E-E spells the word three. Do you remember this word? This is the word with, right? So we go W-I-T-H. W-I-T-H spells with. Like I'm going with my friends to the movies. With. Very good. What about this word? A. Like. My, good. And the last one, if we remember this one, this is the word make, right? I can make a cake. Make. Very good. Let's go through these again. What is this word? Make. What is this one? My, good. Like. A. With. 3. 2. He. As. Good. We're going to look at our vocabulary words for this week. So if you have your journal, you might want to pause this video when we're done talking about them and write the words down and draw an illustration of the words. But for now, let's go ahead and let's get started looking at our vocabulary words. So the first word this week is the word stores. What are stores? Yeah, stores are places that we can go to buy the things that we need and the things that we want. So for example, I have what looks like a grocery store where you can buy stuff that you need. Simple as that, right? Stores. The next word is the word school. What is a school? Yeah, a school is a place where students or kids go to learn. School. What about library? What is a library? A library is a place where we can go to check out books to read, right? But there's different things we can do at a library. We can check out books. We can check out movies. We can use the computers. We can listen to a story. Lots of different things that we can do at a library. And our last word is buildings. What are buildings? Yeah. Buildings are kind of like, our school is a building. Where you live is a building. And I put an example of a downtown here where we have different types of buildings, right? Good. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a vocabulary map for our words this week. And I'm going to do one, and then we're going to do one together. And then your assignment is to do it on your own. So we're going to do, so for here we're going to put the word. Here we have to put an illustration of what the word looks like. And then here we have to put what the word means. And then here we're going to put a sentence using the word in a sentence. So we're going to start with the word stores. So I know that I wrote the word stores, and I know what a store looks like. So I would draw a picture or put in a picture of a store. So right here is where we would put the illustration of a store. Here I would want to put the definition. So just what I know about stores, I know a store is a place where you can go to buy stuff or to buy things. And that is what I put. Stores are places where you can buy stuff. Or you can even add stores are places where you can buy the things that we need. And then here, you can use it in a sentence. And this is my sentence. There are a lot of stores in the mall. So every time I go to the mall, I know that there are lots of different stores that I can go to. Let's do one together. So here, remember, we have to put the word, we put a picture, and then we put the definition and a sentence. The next word is the word school. So here, let's put a picture of a school. So go ahead and pause the video and draw a picture of our school. And for our purposes today, I put a picture of a school. And what is a school? How can we define a school? Yeah, a school is a building or a place where students or children go to learn. And then we could use this word school in a sentence. So what kind of sentence can you come up with the word school? Very good. This is the sentence I came up with. I said, I like to go to school. Now on your own, you're going to do the word library. So on your own, your assignment today is to complete a vocabulary map for the word library. So we're going to write the word library. You're going to draw a picture of what a library looks like or is. Then we're going to draw or write what it means. So what is a library? And then you're going to use this word library in a sentence.